How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the German League Tuning YouTube channel. My name is Brad, and in this video we're going to install a downpipe on the GTI. I've been wanting to do a downpipe for a while just to kind of get toward the stage 2 area, and finally got one in. It's a YG Racing downpipe off of Amazon. So you know, the quality is actually really good. I was surprised when I unboxed it. I was really surprised at how well the welds had been done, and you know, it was a quality piece. So we're going to install it and see how things go. Kind of walk you through a quick, you know, bit of install. I'm not going to go too in depth because I mean there's so many downpipe install videos. So I just wanted to do just kind of a quick comparison to the stock one, and then you know, just how, you know, fitment is and stuff like that. So come along and let's see how things go. Alright guys, here's a quick comparison of the downpipe versus the stock cat assembly downpipe. So far, you know, things look really good. The opening's a little smaller as of here compared to that one, but the flange is still good, and you know, the turbo's small enough to where that's not going to make a big difference. What's going to make a big difference is deleting that pre-cat and the secondary. So it's going to step down to the stock exhaust size, or whichever exhaust I decide to go with. V-band here, came with hardware, came with gasket, and here's the stock gasket for comparison. So, you know, the metal one versus a fiber one, so it's a little thicker, so hopefully it'll squish down and take up any imperfections that this flange might have. A little bit of rust here, just kind of surface rust, so maybe from storage. So sometimes these flanges aren't fully flat, and that gasket's going to help us. So the other thing too, it's got some pretty good welds on it. You know, they look solid, so I'm hoping they hold up with the heat expansion and everything like that. So stock cat looks pretty good in there. We'll swap over that O2 sensor and get it installed. All right, first start. Alright guys, it's installed. One thing I did find that was kind of weird is they welded the bung right in front of that stud, so it was kind of a pain to get it on with the O2. So I just left the O2 out and then put the nut on and tighten it, and then put the O2 back in. The factory one's offset more toward the turbo, so you can access it, but it's installed. Alignment's kind of off for here. I need to try to tweak that a little bit, but the way they welded the flange in doesn't quite sit in the mounts okay. This lines up really good for the rear O2. V-band, not too bad. Had to do some movements and try to get that adjusted correctly, and then it bolts up to the rear catback fine. And rear catback's on. So we started up with it just open downpipe, but it was just way too loud. So put the stock muffler back on, and we'll go for some drive and see how it does. Just finished flashing the new tune to the ECU. Switch off the dash. Okay, ECU programming complete. That's good. All right. Key on. Off. Usually stumbles a little bit after the flash. There it goes. ECU will pick back up. Sounds pretty good. It's got a deep tone. It's definitely quiet with that stock exhaust, so we'll get some aftermarket exhaust on this thing or do a custom one, we'll see. But let's go take it for a drive. Porsche Boxster.